Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to delete last 1 hour data on Google Chrome. Friends, if you have opened any unsecured website on your browser, then it always better to delete all the data related to that site. So to delete last 1 hour data on Google Chrome, you simply need to open Chrome browser. In Chrome browser, press on these three dots. Here you need to press on history. In history you need to press on clear browsing data. Now here you need to press on advanced. In advanced you need to press on the small arrow and here select last hour. Friends, as we have selected last hour, so it is showing all the data of last 1 hour. So press on clear data, press on clear again. We have deleted all the related data of sites which we have opened in last 1 hour. So like this you can very easily delete last 1 hour data on Google Chrome. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.